Racing, looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Biglang Buhos. Antonio de la Mugis Bande is running by the rail, rushing up now at the outside is my boy, Lollipop. Back to the leader, we have the quick striding Biglang Buhos on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Moving up to take second is Bahandi, and on the outside is my boy Lollipop. Antonio de la Mugis comes next. Moving up is Maaasahan, running by the release Aluk Bum Bum, then followed by Silver Lining, while Rahabago is racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch with a Biglang Buhos by our length and a half. Then here comes Bahande, finds some opening down on the inside to take the lead. It's now Bahande with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths over Biglang Buhos in second. Then on the outside now is my boy Lollipop, then comes Maaasahan, Rahabago, and finally it's Bahandi second. Biglang